Hello, Delmar students. My name is Michael Villegas, and I'm a lab consultant in the Speech Communications Center. Today, I will give you some tips on how to pick a speech topic. Before writing any speech, selecting the right speech topic can be a painful, drawn out, and tedious process. The good news is that it does not have to be. With these 7 tips on how to select a speech topic, you can narrow down the right speech topic for you without wasting time. Tip 1. Identify the nature of the speaking event and purpose, like how to, informative, and persuasive. Please do not use informative speech and make into a persuasive speech. Find something different. Choose 2 different topics. Tip 2. Know your audience. You may not know a single student in your class when you first start the class, but many instructors require a survey that includes statistics, facts, or other forms of evidence. The information from this survey can be used for your speech to establish credibility. Tip 3. Think of your personal interests, knowledge, and experience. If you have to speak on a topic, speak on one that you will find interesting. Your enthusiasm will shine through as you give your speech. This could be fishing, a trip to Hawaii, or fixing a flat tire. It may seem very obvious that picking an unsuitable topic may become painful and drawn out or even tedious. Stick to what you know. Tip 4. Relevant news. Relevance means it needs to be current and have some kind of meaning to the audience. The audience might ask, what does this have to do with me? Has there been an explosion of media on a particular topic that is of interest to both you and your audience? Vary the topic. And a word of advice, please don't do COVID-19. As professors have heard this topic since it started, find something else. Tip 5. Brainstorm all possible ideas. You should write down all ideas no matter what. If possible, bounce off some of your ideas with a friend or classmate. By talking to an individual, you might be able to narrow your topic or it can lead to a better speech. Tip 6. Make a short list of possible topics. Now it's time to review the list and narrow it down to 3 topics. Figure out which of your ideas are most relevant to this speaking event. Which topic is most appealing to your audience? Which topic are you most familiar with? At this stage, follow your feelings and not spend hours debating if you made the right choice. Tip 7. Making your decision and commit to it. When you review your short list of finalists, there may be one topic that just leaps out at you. You will find yourself naturally bonding with it, and the speech is beginning to write itself in your mind. Today, I gave you some information on how to pick a speech topic. By following these tips, you'll earn the respect of your professor and audience. Stay tuned for more updates from the Speech Communication Center.